Just a quick update on the reeds. I've just done a valving of the bass reeds, so I'll just show you what that looks like. That's all of the 4 sets of bass reeds. I've cleaned the reed blocks, cleaned the reeds, revalved them, so these are ready to be waxed in. So there's 4 sets of reeds there. So I'll wax those back in and show you what that looks like when I've waxed them in. Very similar to the treble side really, and so I'll do that for now. Right, so this is where we're up to so far. The treble side reeds have been valved and waxed, and I've put them back into the treble side of the accordion. I haven't tried them yet, but I will do. And then the bass side reeds, I've just finished off doing those, so they're looking really, really nice. So they've all been taken off, cleaned, valved and re-waxed in. So that's 2 sets of reeds there, and then the other 2 here. So valved, re-waxed, put back in. So all the reeds have been done. I'll put these 2 sets back into the bass side of the accordion and then put it back together again. And then on the next little clip, I'll just play the accordion with all the reeds back in, but not having been tuned, and just to see how that all sounds. Okay, here we go. Good evening. Okay, so the treble side reeds have been done, the bass side reeds have been done. I haven't done any tuning, so I've just put them back into the accordion. I have done a few other things as well. I've reattached the grill, and I found some new brass screws, because you need to get some nice ones. So I found some tiny dome-headed brass screws, and I've put a whole new set on, because the ones that came off were just all a bit different sizes and a bit corroded, but putting nice new ones on just gives that little finish. So that's all really, really nice. The other thing I've done is I've made some bellows straps here, because the ones that were on there were just broken. So all I did was I reused the fitting on this side. I kept the popper that was there because that's all the same size anyway, and I cut some new leather and I just attached the popper onto that end of it, and I used my special kit, which was this kit here, which, there you go, I'll just show it to you if I can. It was just a little kit for attaching press studs. So you get a little punch and a little block to punch the press studs onto the leather. Works really, really well. So that worked really well. So I'm quite pleased with my bellow straps, because they work really well. So that's grand. So that's all working. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you how it plays, but I haven't tuned anything yet. Absolutely not tuned anything. So I have tried it just a minute ago to see, and I'm really quite pleasantly surprised at how well it sounds. It's not perfect, but it does sound pretty good. So I'll just show how it sounds. Now, the reason I think it sounds pretty good is just taking some care with the reeds. So to clean them, to make sure the tip heights were correct, to valve them quite consistently, making sure you put them back into the reed blocks the right way up. So you're kind of giving yourself the best chance for them to be in as good a tune as possible. So I'll just show you. Oh, the other thing is that now I've polished up the slides, the mechanism is just really nice and definite, but not stiff. Okay, let's start with the treble side single reed. It sounds like this. It sounds really, really nice. Sounds nice and even as well. So I'm quite pleased with that. If I just put on the 2 reeds. And again, it sounds nice. To my ear, it sounds a tiny bit harsh. So I probably will just tune the harshness out of that kind of tremolo one. So perhaps some of those tremolo kind of reeds are just a bit sharp, maybe, but I can do that. But overall, it sounds really nice, and the bass side sounds like this. That sounds a little bit out of tune, and that one. There's a few there, it's not quite right. There's a few in that bass side which need just looking at, checking what's going on there, but you know, generally it sounds good. So let's see if I can do a little tune out of this. Okay, so it's sounding nice. It's all back together. The next step in the next video, I'll start the tuning process. And to do the tuning process, I'll start with the treble side reeds. I'll start by tuning the single reed, which is a kind of concert pitch one, and get that done. And then I'll introduce the tremolo reed, sets of reeds, and tune those to get that nice tremolo sound. Then I'll have a look at the bass side and just get those all tuned and sounding really nice. So that's the kind of progress of so far, but all looking good. And at the end of it, I think this is going to be a really smart little accordion, so I'm quite pleased with that. Okay, see you next time.